Stand straight in Samasthiti, eyes closed. Inhale and exhale. 2 more counts. Inhale and exhale. And last count of inhale and exhale. Join our palms. Put some pressure against each other, against each of your palms. Hold Namaste. Let us chant Gayatri Mantra to begin the practice for today. Om Bhur Bhurvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Namah Prachodayat. Once again, before we begin our practice for today, let's promise ourselves that we will give the best for the next 45 to 50 minutes. Let's challenge ourselves and let's become better and better in our practice for today. With this promise to ourselves, let us slowly open our eyes. Let us start with the warm-up for today. Right leg comes out, ankle rotation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Toe up and down, toe up and down, and toe up and down. And then just move fingers also up and down. Right leg comes back, left leg goes out, ankle rotation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Toe up and down, toe up and down, toe up and down, and fingers also up and down. Let's move up. Let's move to our knees now, and let's start with rotation of your knees. 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's come up. Your legs shoulder width distance apart. Place your palms on your waist, and let's start with hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come up. Let's start with arm rotation, right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right hand comes down. Left hand start from the front to the back. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Both arms together now. 1, 2, very good everyone. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, from here and by your side, and let us start with arm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here only, let's move our hands one above the other for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we are done with almost all the arm rotation. Let's place our fingers on our shoulders to start with shoulder rotation. 5 counts from inside to outside. 1, 2, inside to outside, making circles. 3, inside to outside. 4, inside to outside. And last count the other way. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With this, let's move to our neck rotation variations. We'll start with neck rotation once from the right hand side. If you want, you can close your eyes from the right hand side. Inhale without lifting your neck up. Start rotating without lifting your shoulders. Exhale. Come down. 2, inhale. Slowly and slowly. Go back. Exhale. And come down. 3. Inhale from the right hand side again. Go back slowly. Exhale. And come down. 4. Inhale from the right hand side again. Exhale. And slowly come down. Last count. 5. Inhale from the right hand side. Exhale. And come to the left hand side. Same way from the left hand side now. Inhale slowly and slowly, halfway through. Exhale and come down 2. Inhale from the left hand side. Exhale and come to the right hand side. 3. Inhale from the left hand side. Exhale and come down to the right hand side. 4. Inhale from the left hand side again. Exhale and come down. And last count. 5. From the left hand side once again. Inhale. Exhale and slowly come towards the exercise. Let's come back to the center now. Let's start with the other three variations. Inhale, look on the right hand side. Let's come back. Inhale, left hand side. And back. 2. Inhale, right again. And back. 2, left again. Back. 3, right again. And back. Inhale, 3, left again. And back. Now let's go up and down. Inhale, go up, look up. Back. Inhale, go down. If you want to take the support of your hand to push your head down, try to touch your chin with your chest. Come up. 2. Inhale, go up. Back to center. 2. Inhale, down. Back again. 3. Inhale, let's go up again. Back to center. Inhale, go down. Again, you want to push your head with your hands. Come back. Last variation. Inhale and bend your neck on the right hand side. You may want to take once again the support of your right hand to push it on the right hand side. Come back. 2. Left hand side. Take the support of your left hand. Come back. Deep inhale, bend again on the right hand side. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. Back again. 3 on the right hand side. And back. Deep inhale and last set, last count on the left hand side. From here we are done. Bring your arms in front of your chest and let's try to twist on the right hand side. Don't pull up your heels, okay? So with both your legs on the mat, try to twist and go back. Let's hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Same way. Inhale and twist on the left hand side. Hold it. Try to twist as much as you can. And let's continue holding it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Now, what we will do is, we will bring our left hand up and touch the right leg down, then opposite, again opposite direction, and then again opposite direction. Let's do 20 counts. Yes, very good. Come on, Malika, let's start. Right leg up, left hand down, left hand up, right hand touch, then again right hand touch and down. Okay, everyone, we will start together now. 20 counts. Hold on. So right leg goes out. 1, 2 left legs, right 3 legs, 4 left legs, 5 right legs, 6 left legs, 7 right legs, 8 left legs, 9 right legs, 10 left legs, 11 right, 12 left, 13 right, 14 left, 15 right, 16 left, 17 right, 18 left, 2 more counts right, and left, and we are done. Okay? From here, the next form of exercise, just stretch your legs as much as you can, and then what we will do, left hand goes up, right hand touches your right toe, and then right hand up, left hand touches the right toe. Okay, we will do 30 counts together, everyone. Right hand, we'll start with right hand. Okay, 30 counts. Let's start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's come back. Okay, so we are done with the warm-up section. Let's move on. So we'll start with 5 Surya Namaskars today, and then this week's challenge. So we have done burpees, we have done push-ups, we did squat challenge last week, and this week we will be doing plank challenge. Okay, so we will work on the core, on arms, on your entire body with the help of plank. Okay, so first we will finish Surya Namaskar. 3 counts of Surya Namaskar. We will go slow. We will, give some pause in each asana for 3 counts, and then 2 counts. We will do it a bit fast. Then we move on to our pranayam section. We will do Anulom Vilom Pranayam this entire week. Week 1 we did Kapalbhati, then we did Khanda Pranayam. Last week we did Bhramari Pranayam, and this week we will start with Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So let us start with 5 counts of Surya Namaskar, all of you at the beginning of your mat. Okay, like all of you know, there are 24 asanas, 12 with right leg and 12 with left leg. Cycle number 1 starts now. 1, 2, inhale and bend back. 3, exhale, forward bend, go slow. It's the first bend for today, so just go a bit slow and let's hold. All those who are new in the class, you may want to place your palms behind your shin area or your calf muscles to pull your nose towards your knees. 4, inhale, place the palms on the mat, right leg goes back, knee is down, toes are out, and look in the front. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Let's hold here for 5 counts. In this posture, try to push the right knee back as much as you can to feel the stretch in the right leg. 5, exhale, and left leg goes back straight. Just have a look at me in plank position. I am not slouching, I am not making an inverted V, but my mat is straight and parallel to the ground. From here, move on. Inhale and exhale. 6 Ashtanga Pranam. Knees are down, and then chest tension is down, hips are up. So Malika, chin is down and chest is down. Others, continue to be in this posture. Malika, hips are up. Yes, very good. From here, inhale and then come in the front in Bhujanga Asana. Again, everyone hold in this asana. Yes, very good. Very powerful asana for your back. Exhale from here and come in Adho Mukhi Svanasana, which is downward dog position, or you may look like an inverted V. Your heels may not touch the floor. It is perfectly fine. In that case, you may want to pull your legs a bit in the front. Okay? Try to place your heels on the mat. Push your head between the palms and try to look at your belly. From here, inhale and right leg comes back between the palms. Between the palms, and it tries to make a 90 degrees. My left leg is down, knee is down, toe is out. Again, look in the front. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Hold here. Try to feel the stretch in the left leg. From here, exhale and left leg comes back. Hold here. Inhale and bend back. And exhale and Pranamasana. Half cycle over, half cycle. 13, inhale, exhale. 14, inhale, bend back again. 15, exhale, forward bend once again. 16, this time, left leg goes back out first. Knee is down, toes are out. Look in the front. Hold here for 5 counts. Exhale. Now right leg goes back in Santulanasana or plank position. Very good. Ashtanga, knees down, chin down, chest down. Hips are up in the air. Yes. From here, inhale in Bhujangasana. Very good. Exhale, Adho Mukhi. Again, this is a very, very important asana. Adho Mukhi. Push your head between the palms, heels on the mat. Left leg comes back between the palms. Inhale and Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Push your right leg back as much as you can and look in the front. Exhale from here, right leg comes back and push your nose towards the knees. From here, inhale and bend back and exhale. With this, we are done with the first cycle. 2 more cycles to go in the same way. Second cycle starts now. 1, inhale and exhale. 2, inhale and bend back. 3, exhale, forward bend. 4, right leg back, knee down and toe up. Knee down, toe up. 5, left leg back, plank. 6, knee down, chin down, chest down. 7, Bhujang. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, inhale, right leg back. Left knee down, toe out. Very good, everyone. Very, very good. Malika, right leg back between the palms. Left knee down. Come on, come fast. Left leg back. Exhale. From here, inhale and bend back. And back to Pranam-asana. 13. Inhale and exhale. 14. Inhale and bend back. 15. Exhale. Forward bend again. 16. Left leg goes back now. Left leg goes back. 17. Right leg goes back. 18. Knee down, chin down, chest down. 19. Bhujangasana. 20. Adho Mukhi. 21. Left leg back between the palms. Right knee down, toe out. Very good, Malika. 21. Right leg back between the palms. Think so. Counting mistake. Inhale and bend back. And exhale. We are done with second cycle. Third cycle. 1. Inhale and exhale. 2. Inhale, bend back. 3. Exhale, forward bend. 4. Inhale, right leg back. Knee down, toe out. 5. Left leg back. 6. Knee down, chin down, chest down. 7. Bhujang. 8. Adho Mukhi. 9. Right leg back between the palms. Knee down, toe out. 10. Left leg goes back. Exhale. Forward bend. 11, inhale and bend back. And 12, exhale. 13, inhale and exhale. 14, inhale and bend back. 15, exhale, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back, knee down, toe out. 17, right leg goes back. 18, knee down, chin down, chest down, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adhomukhi. 21, left leg comes back between the palms. Left leg back, between the palms. 22, right leg back, between the palms. 23, inhale and bend back. And 24, Pranamasana. So, everyone still here, we went slowly, taking a pause in each asana. This is also one way of doing it. And we will do 2 cycles now, where we will do faster. Hi, sir. Yeah, sure. Okay, let's start with 4 cycles. Inhale and exhale. 2, bend back. 3, forward fold. As told, we are going faster now. 4, inhale, right leg back. 5, left leg back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adhomukhi. 9, right leg back between the palms. 10, left leg back between the palms. 11, inhale and bend back. And 12. 13, 14, inhale and bend back. 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back. Malika, don't worry. 17, right leg back. 18, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adhomukhi. 21, left leg back between the palms. 22, right leg back between the palms. 23 and 24. Last cycle for the day. 1, 2, 3, forward fold. 4, right leg back between the right leg back. 5, left leg back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adhomukhi. 9, right leg back between the palms. 10, left leg back between the palms. 11, bend back. And 12. Come on, Malika. 13, inhale and exhale. 14, bend back. 16, forward fold. 17, left leg back. 18, right leg back. 19, Ashtanga. 20, Bhujanga. 21, Adhomukhi. 22, left leg back between the palms. I think I did a mistake in the counting. 22 should be now right leg back. 23, bring back. And 24, Pranayama. So everyone, all of us did 5 cycles of Surya Namaskar. Now we will move on, and before we start with our plank challenge, so we will do about 6 minutes of plank challenge today. We will do 6 exercises for 30 seconds each. 6 exercises, 30 seconds means 3 minutes, and we will do 2 rounds. So 6 minutes of core we will do after the Anulom Vilom Pranayam section for 2 minutes. So everyone, let's come and sit on your mat. Okay. Back should be straight. All those who know Anulom Vilom Pranayam can start. Those who are new in the classes of late and you don't know Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you can just follow me. Those who know, please start Anulom Vilom. Okay, so those who don't know, for them, back should be straight and then right thumb presses your right nostril. Inhale from the left nostril. So those who are new, let's do it together. Press your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale from your left nostril. Now with the ring finger and maybe the middle finger, you can press the left nostril and exhale from the right nostril. Whatever you inhale, now should be exhale from the right nostril. So exhale. Now inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. In this case, you are pressing your right nostril with the thumb. So basically, when you are pressing the right nostril, it should be with the thumb. And when you are pressing the left nostril, it can be with your ring finger and middle finger. Okay? One cycle is inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, and exhale from left. This is one cycle of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. I repeat, inhale, pressing the thumb, exhale from the right, inhale from the right, exhale from the left. This is one cycle. Okay, so we will try to do it for 2 minutes of Anulom Vilom Pranayam, in which we should be able to do about 5 to 10 rounds based on each individual's capacity. Now when you are inhaling, try to do maximum inhalation. Again, like we did in Bhramari Pranayam, I was telling maximum inhalation and exhalation, same way over here. When you are inhaling, it should be maximum, and when you are exhaling, then also go to the maximum extent. Then only it will give you the complete benefit. Okay, so let us start, everyone. Inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Fine? Let's start for 2 minutes of inhale and exhale. Inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left. One second. Inhale from left, exhale from right, inhale from right, exhale from left. Let's come back to normal. So now we will start with our plank challenge this week. Today we will be doing 6 minutes of plank, 6 exercises. So we will be using timer today. Okay, so 30 seconds plank, then 10 seconds of rest, 30 seconds of variation of plank, then 10 seconds of rest, then 30 seconds of plank, then another variation. So I will tell you all the 6 variations before we start. Again, those who are new, for example, Malika, you may not be able to hold it for 30 seconds today because being your first or second class. It's okay, after 5 or 10 seconds, try to hold for 10 seconds, come down, take rest for 2-3 seconds and then come back again. Dr. Annie, Sarita, Pallavi, Smita, I think you have, got enough of strength. So you should be able to hold it for 30 seconds. That's why I kept it for 30 seconds and not for 45 seconds or maybe for 1 minute, because I wanted you all to do it together and be there for 30 seconds. Fine. So the first variation will be, because I will not be able to explain you because we have 10 seconds of break only in between. So first variation of plank is the normal plank. All of you know, just again for those who are new, we will be on our palms. If you want, you can make a web of your palms to just get more support. We are on our toes and just have a look at my body. It's completely parallel to the ground. We are not like this, I repeat again, or we are not like this, okay? So Malika, you just be careful. Just see that anyways I will also be looking at you. The body should be straight and parallel to the ground. So this is high plank. This will be the first variation. I think all of you know. All the exercises that we will do, all of you know it. So don't worry. First variation is high plank. 10 seconds of break. Then we will come in elbow plank. Okay, elbow plank. Again, Malika, because you being new, on elbows this time. Okay, and again on toes. And again the same thing holds good. Back should be straight. Your body should be parallel to the ground. Again, not like this, not like this. Okay, so the second variation is this. I repeat, first is high plank, second is elbow plank. Till here, everyone okay? Third variation. Third variation will be kind of a tabletop position. You are on your knees and you are on your palms. What we will do, my right hand will go out and left leg will go out, so opposite. And we will hold in this posture for 30 seconds. Easy. This will be our third variation. Again, the back should be straight. Legs should be straight, not like this, not like this. Legs straight, hands straight. Third variation. Fourth, right hand, left knee down, left hand and right leg. This will be the fourth variation. So, we will revise. First variation, second variation, third, right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. And the fifth will be, we will come in plank, just push your legs away from each other, and then what we will do, hold the toes back, hold the toes back, hold the toes, touch and back, touch and back. You can touch your ankle or whatever you can, just touch that and then come back. This will be the fifth variation. And the sixth will be, we have done this also earlier, plank dips. We are in elbow plank, right hand side dip, left hand side dip, right hand side dip and left hand side. Okay? Don't worry, I am anyways there. So nothing to worry. Okay? Chalo, everyone. So today I have installed a timer app. Hopefully that will help us without any wastage. Okay, so good. Bhavi, you are back on time. Okay, chalo. So we will start the core now. The core practice for today. Okay, the plank challenge. So the entire routine is for about 7.5 minutes, because core 6 minutes of plank and then 10 seconds of break in between. And between the first and the second round, there is a 1 minute break. I think so, mostly. That's what I said. Okay, chalo. Everyone. So let's come in the high plank position. Okay, let me start the counter. So let's get ready, and I will just tell you when to come up in high plank. 3, 2, and 1. Let's come up, everyone. High plank. Malika, yes, I can see you. Very good, Malika. Very good, Dr. Annie. Very good. Pallavi ji, Bhavi, come on. Yes, very good. Halfway done. 15 seconds done. Very good. Sarita. Good, good, good. And 4.
3, 2, 1, rest.
And you can come down. Okay, very good, Malika. I see you that you could do it for 30 seconds. Very good.
2, 1.
Elbow plank. Start. Come on. Everyone in elbow plank. आ जाओ Malika. हाँ, Malika थोड़ा सा hips को नीचे करो. Yes, good. Very good. Everyone, let's go now. Halfway done. Very good. Everyone, 2,
1, rest.
and done. Rest. So the third variation, just look at me. Come on your knees. Right hand will go out
3,
and left leg.
1, go.
Let's start. Right hand out and left leg out. Let's start, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good. Awesome. Very good.
Halfway there.
So as you can hear, we are halfway through. I hope you are enjoying the core exercises for today.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1, and 10 seconds of rest. Just have a look at me. The next is left hand goes out and right leg is out. 2, 1, let's start. Left hand out, right knee out. चलो आ जाओ मलिका. Right को बाहर करो. Right leg out, Malika. I think your left leg is out. Yes, very good.
Halfway there.
Very good, everyone. After this, we will touch our ankles. 3, 2, and 1. Let's come. Take rest. I will just show you. Have some distance between your legs, and then
3,
we'll start touching. Okay, my legs are slipping.
go.
Fine, everyone, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, the timer is running. Keep touching. Keep touching. Continue. Very good. Excellent, everyone.
3, 2, 1, rest.
Okay, so last stretch is, just have a look at me. We are coming in elbow fly and dip on the right. Dip.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's start. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Malika, hips नीचे करो.
Halfway
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left,